things to know about the male gender. 59 to 60% of special gene expression is passed down to the sperm. That's probably why more selective pressures, even in species that lay hundreds of thousands of eggs, more of the pressures are on the males. Probably genetic changes in gene expression in the sperm might play a larger role. There are also conditions in the womb or egg, hormones and other stimuli from fetal development also play a role. Deeper voices can travel further through more boundaries. I mean, more obstacles, more barriers. Can go through more barriers than lighter voices can. So you can be that. You can be part of that stimuli, just like with the mother's heartbeat. You can play a role too, projecting your voice. Also, sensitive palms. Also, get a feedback. You can stimulate from outside. Play a deeper role. Help the baby get adjust to the future life outside the womb. Men usually have warmer body temperature, at least warmer chest and palms. Keep others warm. And sensitive palms can hear what's going on inside the womb. I feel like they're pretty good for holding babies, helping others. Applying pressure to wounds. At least a larger palm also. It applying pressure to wounds. It also helps in blood. Prevent stop bleeding, even help blood flow in other fluids, correct the flow of other fluids. Testosterone really does help your own healing, cell regrowth, especially in bone. The Y chromosome even has some hemoglobin genes. Men actually have less blood issues, less anemia than women. Some men, more contrary to female supremacist sites, about the Y chromosome being a defective X, more genes should to be its own chromosome. In terms of jumping genes, if the Y chromosome gets too small, you will barely hold on to the XRY. More likely to just jump or compartment chromosome. It probably done that already. It probably done this already. Did you know alcohol actually lowers the male's sex drive? From the waist down, that is. Alcohol. The problem might be that sex has already made its place in your brain pleasure centers. So, also maybe also something like a habit or script you're supposed to do, or more like a script where it wouldn't do normally. So then you wouldn't do it normally. Things you wouldn't do normally, but it's in your head. So probably not really thinking with your because alcohol shuts all that lower stuff down. All that stuff between your legs gets blocked. All those signals between your legs get blocked with alcohol. So does inhibition. Semen contains a lot of the good materials like zinc, potassium, ATP, glucose, and that's just standard issue. Another hormones and proteins, and also the protein is sperm itself, maybe even other cells with it. Female ferrets, when in heat, they need to mate, or else they die of high blood pressure. High blood pressure from high estrogen. Queen ants and bees, when they run out of sperm, they just die. The vaporous moths, the females can't fly. They have to use spray pheromones to attract males. So nature isn't completely biased against males. Look at this. Male baboons take care of babies that aren't theirs. Even a lion. The option is with male baboons. Most of these big touch channels only appeal to nature, more like the males, what you see of male lions.